Ira Street Reno, week 152. I'm Adam, thanks for tuning in. This week is all about fixtures. We're talking toilets in the bathrooms, the vent for the range in the kitchen, and more. Let's get cracking. On Thursday, I find myself at Regis University for the start of the Fall 2023 concert band. I'll be playing second horn this semester, and sometimes after rehearsal, I like to sneak up to the practice rooms to tickle the keys. One of the things I'm most looking forward to with finishing the renovation is getting my piano back out of storage. I'm improvising in C# here, which I'll let keep playing as background music. On Friday, I install the vent hood for the kitchen range. A bracket is mounted in the center, which determines the hanging height. With the bracket secured, I hang the hood. Flexible ducting connects the hood to the ceiling exhaust. The power is connected, and at last, the finished cover is installed to make the duct look pretty. With the hood installed and secured, I move on to installing the pot filler. This fixture is for filling pots on the stove, but the real reason I installed it is to make filling my kettle easy when I'm brewing beer. 5-gallon pots get heavy. Check it out, guys. The pot filler is hooked up and it's working. My dad thinks this is a terrible idea, and who knows? If it starts leaking down the road, he might be right. But for now, check this out. 2 on-off valves. So you can shut it off here, or you can shut it off here. It's gonna be pretty awesome! On Saturday, it's time to install the toilets. Step 1 is to secure the flanges to the floor. I'm using leftover galvanized screws from the cement board. They're rust-proof and have very grippy threads, perfect for the job. The knockout cap gets knocked out of the flange, and the PEX is cut so that a supply valve can be installed. A bead of silicone is applied to the bottom of the toilet. With the wax ring and bolts installed on the flange, the toilet can be dropped into place. I'm using a one-piece toilet in this bathroom because it offers the most clearance in front of the toilet given the small bathroom footprint. Around lunchtime, Mom and Dad stopped by to help me move my refrigerator and stove into the kitchen. I've had these sitting in my garage since Black Friday of 2020, and I'm thrilled to be at the point where I can finally hook them up and start using them. The refrigerator has French doors with a freezer drawer at the bottom. The cooktop is a 36-inch gas stove with a convection oven. I love cooking and I've always wanted a large range. This unit has 5 burners with the largest burner right in the middle. It'll be a few weeks until I can really put the kitchen through its paces, but for today, here's what it looks like. On Sunday, here's some more glam shots of the kitchen. I'm really chuffed with how things are coming together. In the evening, I head downstairs to hook up the shower DWV. With the tiling done, I install the drain P-trap so that it can dry overnight. Outside, I knock out another to-do, installing the exterior outlets on the new porch. My house didn't have any exterior outlets, so when I remodeled the porch, I wanted to add at least one set. Bathroom 2 is next on the docket for getting its toilet installed. This unit is a standard 2-piece toilet albeit with a high-efficiency 2-button flush valve. I suppose that's standard now, but at any rate, this toilet goes in without issues. Can you tell I'm loving the kitchen? Here's a few more glam shots. In the evening, I turn to the gas fireplace. This unit consists of the burner you see here, which will be installed in the fireplace box. Once installed, the ceramic logs are placed according to the spec, and voila, the fireplace is done. On Monday, I turned to the final tiling job upstairs, the fireplace tiles. I'm using a chalkboard black tile with a dark grout to accent the fireplace opening. Thanks to some help from Daya, we get these tiles installed in no time. For tonight, I'll let the mortar dry before coming back tomorrow to clean everything up. That's all for week 152. Thanks for tuning in, and until next week, drop a comment and tell me what tasty thing you think I should try cooking in the new kitchen.